Bella. Maverick. Gerald. The actual kid.
Hi, Git. You like it, Git? Happy 4th. Oh, he definitely loved the water. Hey.
Where are you going?
I think you love that. Maverick, you want to climb up there? Huh? You want to go there? You want to try that with slide? The big slide? You want to try the big slide? You gotta climb here, Mav. Mav, look, you gotta climb here. Climb there and then slide. To the steps and climb up. Come on, Mav. Climb up there. All right, go up there. Go up there, bud. Climb.
Show Bella.
Bella, how to climb, bud.
Good job.
Keep going. Grab the handles. Go try. Go try. Climb. Maverick is already there. He's waiting. Keep going, Mav. Keep going. My goodness. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. There you go. And then Bella's like, okay, I'll go.
Yeah, as soon as she sees him, she's like, I'm good.
Watch out, baby. Come on, slide out. You did it. You did it. That was a big slide. You were so brave. You know how to swim, huh? Good job, Ate. You did great on that big slide. He's so happy, look. You're happy, huh? Hey, be easy with him because he got a boo-boo. Hi, Bella. What's up? Yeah, you got a floaty, huh? You know how to sit on the floaty. Huh?
Mom.
You're trying to get out, Git. Where are you going, bud?
Hey, you want three?
Shit,
It's okay.
it's not that wet.
Maverick, what you got in your mouth? What'd you eat, bud?
Cupcake.
You were eating a cupcake? Bobby.
Watch your face in your hand. Good. No, Mommy, you don't eat lettuce. It's 4th of July.
Hey, what you got? Yeah. Two. How's your food?
Good.
Delicious. Bella.
Bella, say hi to the camera.
Bella, how's your food, Bella Rose? Huh? I thought you said dead.
Peppers and onions.
I don't like the peppers. What are you doing? Are you doing some trampoline? There you go, Ate! Run around! Run around! Are you a gymnast today? Whoa! Wow! That was so cool! That was a good one, Ate. Oh, Maverick, run! Run, Maverick, run! Look like Ate. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. You're done? Hey, look at Ate. Humpy. Okay, you want to come down? Okay, come in. Come here. There you go, Git. Are you done? Hang on. Let me hold you. There. Wow. What you got, Ate?
That's
out there on the field.
Good job, Ate. Make a circle. Firework. Good, Ate. What you got, Ate? Oh, careful, careful.
No, don't shoot it on your brother. Move.
Wait, don't let the baby get into it. Wow, Bella, what are you doing?
So sorry.
Huh? Are you being a good girl? Babe, she found her BFF.
Oh.
What's her name again? What's her name? What's her name? Do you remember?
Ira?
Isla.
Oh, you got it.
Are you lighting up for your light up? Maverick! Come here, Bob! Come on!
I want.
Throw it in the concrete like there. Look at no, in the concrete, not there. Silly. You gotta do it there. Did you guys sing a happy birthday? Did you say happy birthday? Oh, you did? I didn't hear you singing happy birthday. Bella, make a circle. There you go, guys. Good job, Maverick. Careful. Our daddy got it.